Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2007 Toyota Camry. For step 1 of this project, you will need a 10mm socket with a long extension to take off the battery bracket. Proceed to take off the second bolt of the battery bracket. Your next step is you want to take off your positive terminal, but if you have a 10mm wrench, that will work, but you need a long extension as well too though as well. Proceed to take off your negative terminal. Okay, your next step is to take off your positive terminal and just turn that wrench, clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up itself, and it will come directly off the post. You can lift the battery straight up out of the vehicle itself. Okay, so today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2007 Toyota Camry. So your next step is you want to put on your battery bracket. There's a little hook on the back of your to the bottom of that battery box. You have to kind of find it. You'll see it. You kind of hook it and you pull it up directly through the hole of the battery bracket itself. And then just get a screw and use your finger to kind of like get it started, tighten up a little bit first, and then use the second screw to go ahead and on the one that's on the top of the hood of the car itself, screw that in with your fingers, and then use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten it up. And just turn it clockwise until you feel it tight. And just tighten up that negative terminal itself, and that completes how you install a battery in a 2007 Toyota Camry. Thank you and have a nice day.